In this video, I show you how to fix Google Chrome automatically open problem or Google Chrome automatically open any website problem. For fixing this problem, first of all, go to Play Store, then search Chrome. Now update your Chrome app if available any update version. Then go to Settings, then go to Apps or Application Management. Then go to See All Apps. Now click on three dot. Now click on Reset App Preference. Now click on Reset Apps. Now search for Chrome. Click on Chrome. Click on Force Stop. Then OK. Then click on Storage and Cache. Clear cache. Then Manage Space. Then clear all data. Then OK. Now I hope that this method fix Google Chrome automatically open problem or Google Chrome automatically open website problem. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.